I'm Eric.
And I'm Darrell. Coming to you pre-recorded live from the E&D studios in Huntsville, Alabama.
We have a lot of tapes that we capture on this channel. We have a ton of old videos. I don't trust just some old crappy VCR to handle all of our ancient artifacts.
Those things are priceless.
That belongs in a museum.
I started capturing all of these tapes, and then I got to where I had to mess with the tracking a little too much. It was getting worse and worse, and until I just straight up couldn't see anything. Wow, are these tapes deteriorating that much? And they could be.
They could be.
But I thought, okay, maybe I need a new VCR. But you can't really get a new VCR. Maybe just one more tape. I put a tape in there, it freaking wouldn't eject.
Uh-oh.
And I got scared.
Don't eat the tape! Don't eat the tape!
Yeah, so I got a pencil in there, and I was like, give me my tape back, give
Massaging it out.
Yeah, like,
Yeah.
Please, please. The last VCR I owned, I guess I bought it in the 90s, probably mid-90s, I'd say, probably 95. And it's lasted this long, which is crazy. So I get on Amazon. They don't sell VCRs on Amazon. Oh, well, they do, but they're all used. And I need to not get a used one. Like, the thing is, I don't want to like clean the heads. I don't want to mess around. I just want a brand new one.
But you can't go down to Best Buy and buy a new VCR.
Yeah.
Because they don't sell them anymore.
Of course, when I want to get old crap, I turn to eBay. So I go to eBay and type in like new. I want it brand new in the box. And there's a ton of them. You know, it's like, what is the term?
New
Like,
old stock.
yeah, new old stock.
NOS.
Right? So in this video, we're gonna unbox some new old tech. And here it is.
Wow, JVC, nice brand, good brand.
Yeah. I think it's Japanese video company.
Yep.
Isn't it?
Yep.
So they were the actual inventors of the VHS.
VHS format.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, they were competing with Sony against their Betamax.
Oh, right,
Yeah.
right. So that's kind of why I went with JVC. Although when we were kids, we both had Panasonic.
Panasonics, those were great because they had the dub feature.
If you were in the 80s or 90s and you needed a VCR, you would want one with flying erase head, because when you cut from one piece of footage to another, you'll get static and a rainbow, and it has to do with what's underneath the tape as you record something new over it, right? So a flying erase head erases what's under the footage as it's recording. It's erasing ahead of time, and then it's recording fresh stuff. So, boom, flying erase head, baby.
I don't think I ever really knew what flying erase
Yeah.
head was. Cool.
Yeah. I don't know, it says hi-fi, it says plug and play. I don't, okay.
I would not take a VCR that wasn't hi-fi.
Right? Hi-fi's got VCR Plus.
Ooh.
Never used that.
That's like the recording feature, isn't it?
Yeah, something to do with like,
if you're gonna record all your soaps.
so let's get this sucker open and start capturing some new tapes, some old.
Some new to you, old to us.
Okay.
We need a knife.
Need a knife.
Bring me a knife.
Okay, first of all, we got the, that stupid thing, whatever.
Instruction manual. Who uses an instruction manual?
Oh, first. Friggin'
Remote control.
Nice. Okay.
Clickety clack.
What's that?
Batteries.
Yeah.
Look how shiny.
All right, let's take a look. Okay. Yeah, okay. So, I mean, you know, it's pretty basic stuff.
Pretty standard VCR.
I don't see a video dub or an audio dub feature.
No.
But nowadays we don't need that. We're non-linear editors, not linear editors anymore. I'm going to trust this with our childhood memories. This is better freaking work. But It smells new. Let's see what it smells like in here.
New VCR smell.
Ooh,
Like new
it
car smell.
really smells good in there.
Oh, wow. Ew, I would not trust these batteries. I see some leakage.
Ew.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
That's garbage.
Front inputs and rear outputs. Not fancy at all, really. Pretty standard. Coax in and out. I mean, it's it's what it is, right there.
All right, here we go. We're gonna Doc Brown this. What do we got? Oh yeah, it's flashing auto.
All right, that's good. That's good.
Powers up.
Here's a little cool device.
So this is how you've been capturing tapes recently, right?
Yeah. So this is a capture device. You don't need a computer or anything like that. You can just set up your capture and just walk away. And it comes with a little monitor so you can see what's on it. So you don't even have to hook up a monitor. Like you can put this in a closet somewhere and have it just capturing 24/7, which is really cool.
So you put a tape in, and then you plug your cables into the back of the VCR, and then into this unit, and it spits out the video into here, and you can record directly to an SD card on the side.
Yep.
Or
or like a USB.
Or a USB drive.
Yeah.
Drive.
It has an HDMI out too, which is cool. So you can actually plug it up to like a computer monitor or something like that, which is nice. But it records.
Or I suppose
to
you could
USB.
also record straight off of that feed, right?
Yeah.
Like you could dump it straight to the computer.
Right. So you could essentially hook this up to your old VHS camera, or you could record straight to this without even touching a tape.
Yeah.
And plus, like if you buy an old, vintage camera off eBay and the tape mechanism doesn't work, but it can like power on, boom, here's your recorder.
Yeah.
So it's pretty cool. Anyway, so I just threw like a little USB thumb drive in there and I'll just record straight to that.
And that is the
Clear Click.
Yeah.
We're not sponsored, by the way. I know this sounds like a commercial, but this is what we use and we like it. We'll put a link down below if you want to go check it out. I got it on Amazon. It's pretty cheap. Then you just hook up the outputs. Boom, boom. This powers up via USB, so I'll actually have to plug this in too. So we got this in here. Oh, it's got a little splash screen. It's pretty friggin' cool. And now we need a tape.
Ooh.
Let me go grab a tape.
Which one are we gonna just random pick?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay. All right, what do we got? What does it say?
All right, so we have.
Ooh, Eric's tape, black and white. I remember these tapes.
You do?
Yeah.
Eric's tape and Eric's tape 2. This one's apparently black and white. And on the top it says Dave TV Show and Harvey's Restaurant.
Yeah. Harvey's Restaurant.
And this one has Hide Your Heart, Backwards Films, and USA's Greatest Home Videos. It wasn't Funniest Home Videos, was it?
Yeah.
Oh, it was?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I just labeled it weirdly. Let's try this one first because I know this one works because we have Hide Your Heart, the Kiss video, on the channel. All right, let's see what happens. Don't eat the tape. Do not eat it.
Any sound? Yeah.
Where's the play button? We're not, is it?
Right here. Ready?
Yeah.
Yep, it's rolling. Oh.
Oh.
There was something. Kind of sputtered and. Ooh, that was pretty rough. Ooh. It's your mom driving in the Volvo. Whoa, it's got some crazy strobe effect going.
So it could be damaged because VHS tapes really don't hold up very well.
No, they don't.
But basically, that's, the kind of, it's working the way it's supposed to work, damaged or not. Now I can capture more tapes and get on with it. And there's some like really cool stuff that I know that we have that neither of us have seen in like 20 years, and I can't wait to see it. Success. Okay, I got some new ones. These I think have to be captured, but I remember playing them on my previous VCR and they weren't, but they're terribly labeled. This one's labeled Legend. Obviously it was recorded over the movie. Yeah. So like, this one's labeled Sniper. Let's check that one out. That was at least in the 90s, we'll see.
Oh, and these were the Sony VMAX tapes. These were high quality tapes. I remember those.
Yeah. More metal coating or something.
Yeah, I would always buy them to use as master tapes.
I already got a black screen.
Look at that.
Ooh, what is that?
Looks like New Orleans in slow motion. This is some music video, maybe?
Oh yeah, because that's totally treated.
Yeah.
That's a processed video.
Hey.
Will, working at McDonald's.
Yeah. There's McDonald's in Hawaii. As you can tell, we love to go to McDonald's as kids. There's so much McDonald's footage.
Well, and then 2 of our friends worked at McDonald's in high school.
Yeah, there's a Hard Rock Cafe.
What?
There's a Disney World, it looks like, because the 1950s looking.
What song is this? This seems
Erasure,
familiar.
Gigantic horn.
Oh yeah, the Blues Brothers car.
So this is good quality. This is really nice. Bowling alley.
Bing.
It works.
Yeah,
It works.
it works, and we'll
Some
keep
of
that
the
around.
tapes don't work.
Yeah, unfortunately. But now at least we can now continue and grab all these really cool videos we've been dying to see. I think to end this video, I think we should record something to it and see what it looks like. We're currently filming this video on a 6K cinema camera.
Yeah.
I think we want to see what 6K footage looks like recorded on a VHS.
If it's even possible.
Because it's a dumb idea. But I gotta find a tape to record us on. So.
Whoa! Wow.
The land of VHS.
Look at this low fidelity.
Wow. All right, so that was it. That was the unboxing, new old tech, whatever.
Ancient technology.
Yeah. So there we go. Enjoy the channel. Check out more stuff. And we'll see you next time.
See you next time.